inside begins to rise, a quiet truth behind your eyes. You feel the weight of rules gone cold, structures cracked, traditions old. A gentle fire starts to glow, a steady strength the world can know. You lift your voice with calm intent to show the way toward what's meant. Standing in the storm with a peaceful flame, challenging the walls that forgot your name, releasing shadows that once filled the sky, letting blackbirds lift their wings and fly. A quiet revolution born from light, turning chaos into something right. The air grows still before the shift, your steady heart becomes a gift. You rise for those who can't be heard. Every action speaks louder than a word. The waves of feeling move within. You breathe them out instead of giving in. In this release, your power grows, a tender strength the spirit knows. Standing in the storm with a peaceful flame, challenging the walls that forgot your name, releasing shadows that once filled the sky, letting blackbirds lift their wings and fly. A quiet revolution born from light, turning chaos into something right. A final tag, a gentle change begins with how you shine.